Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am the Chartist, and today we had a very green day for the S&P 500. Alright, so I'm looking at this daily chart, and you guys know that I always talk about the area of liquidity, okay? So I want you guys to notice this, that we had this support line right here, okay? Start here, bounce there. Right, we also had another support line here where we had another triple bounce, 1 2 3. And when we had this gap down over here, this big red day that scared the hell out of a lot of people, a lot of liquidity got taken out, okay? Because it wasn't enough to take the liquidity out for this support line. I had to take out the liquidity for this support line, and the SPY jumped all the way down to 428.86. Big drop. Okay, from up here all the way down here, that's around a 5.5% drop. Okay, since then we've had a nice relief rally, and what it looks like to me as of right now, it looked like a false breakdown. All right, this right here, when we broke down from this support level, we were able to make it back up yesterday and closed above. That was the first false breakdown, but it got rejected at this resistance level, which was a previous critical support level. That was a bearish price action. Today we closed above that as well. Okay, that to me, that's two false breakdowns. So what that tells me is the price action is, I feel like the price action is telling me, hey, Mr. Chartist, I think we got some more upside. Okay, and if this is true, I believe we're gonna come head up here to test this resistance level again, which is around the 460, 462 level, 463 maybe at this point. Okay, so look at that. Area liquidity got taken out from both critical support levels, and we back up in here. Now bringing back the moving average, we were able to close back above the 50-day moving average, right, which is a good sign. But we got a low rejection from the 13-day moving average. Okay, so we got to play this level by level. Okay, SPY take the stairways up and the elevator down, right? So let's take one stair at a time. The first stair we had to get through was the 5-day moving average, which SPY did. Today we closed above that, we opened above that, closed above that, as well as the 50-day moving average. That's another level that we were able to get over. Now we have the 13-day and the 20. We have two more levels that we need to break above for this to be bullish again, because for this to be bullish again, we need to be trading above all the moving average. Okay, and right now the 20-day moving average is at 446.55. That is a major resistant level that we need to break. Okay, guys? So, in my opinion, I am bullish. I think the bears got played. This was a false breakdown. Price action is telling me we have more upside. Okay, we're looking at the VIX. Take a look at the VIX. VIX is trading back below the 200 and the 20-day moving average, okay? But it is bouncing off the 50-day moving average. So we're getting, that is support. Of course, that is a support level, okay? So definitely watch this. It's at 1834 right now, the 50-day moving average. So if VIX get below 1834, that's very bullish for the SPY. Okay, we have this critical support level down here around 1625, which the VIX has bounced off of one, two, three times as well. So if this 50-day moving average does not hold, that is a big drop all the way down. That's a $2 drop for the VIX, and that would be very bullish for the SPY, and it'll most likely break 446.55 and get back above all moving averages again. Okay, check the fear indicator. There's still fear. Yesterday we had extreme fear. In a big major correction, you know, it would be extreme greed will to just pull the rug on us, okay? I think market makers wanted to scare us enough so that we can build more strength for another leg up, okay? All right, so for quite some time, we was at some oversold levels. And now we're going back up, okay? So RSI looks good, all right? It looked like we got more room to go up. In my opinion, and VIX has more room to go down. So in my opinion, I'm bullish, okay? Now, for me to be bearish, if we get a rejection at 446.55, if SPY comes up and tests this 20-day moving average and we start getting rejections from there, Okay, that's a sign that we're gonna head to another leg lower. All right. Right now, critical support level is right here at 441. All right, that's where the support level, critical support level. We break below that again. That's a bearish sign that we're gonna have another leg down, maybe down to 425. Okay. All right. So that's my scenario, my bearish scenario. But right now, everything is looking bullish. Like I said, false breakdown here, false breakdown here. All right, bears got played. I think we're gonna see more upside. Moving on to triple Q. I said yesterday, triple Q closed above this critical support level. This looked like a false breakdown. Took out the area of liquidity. Okay? If you still don't know what an area of liquidity is, I mention it all the time. The area of liquidity is what? That's where the retail traders set up their stop losses. And the market makers will take out the stop losses because the retail trader looking at this support level, thinking we're going to get a bounce from there again. We could have, but in this case, we didn't. They got played. Break of structure, thinking we're going to keep on going. Nope. Got the relief rally. Okay? So this could be a regular relief rally. But for it to be legit, of course, like the SPY, it needs to get back above the 20-day moving average. 20-day moving average is at 376.32 for the triple Q right now. Okay, so keep your eye on that level. If you're a bear, that's a good level to enter a put position. Okay, but in my opinion, at the end of the day, this is a bull market. If we zoom out in the charts, if we zoom out, you'll see that this is a overall bull market. Okay, higher highs and lower lows. I feel like this was that lower low. All right, you can even count it from this. This could even count it as a double bottom. Okay, so this could be a double bottom heading up higher, or it could be an inverted cup. For it to be an inverted cup and handle, excuse me, we have to get that rejection at the 20-day moving average. Okay, but if we start closing above 376.32, heading into 377 or above, that's very bullish price action. Listen to the price action. Okay, guys, so bottom line, I'm bullish on the triple Q unless one of my bear scenarios get hit, which is a which is a rejection here at the 20-day moving average, or we break below this critical support level here at 368. All right, moving on to Tesla. I said yesterday that I think Tesla is following the wick-off accumulation, and we are in the phase B, the second high of phase B. All right. Now, I always say to you that price action is king. Even though I'm using the wick-off to track Tesla right now, price action is king. And if right now I see a bull flag for Tesla, okay? Now look where we got the rejection. Right there, perfect rejection. Okay? If Tesla starts breaking above 758.85, it most likely will head up higher, break from this bull flag, and will head up higher to the previous all-time high. Not all-time high, but the previous high up here, around 781. But if we continue to get a rejection, this could be a sign that we're going to get to lower lows based on Wickoff's accumulation. Please look it up, Wickoff's accumulation. All right? First level, we could come back down and test at 718, which is this support level here, or this critical support level at 703. Okay? So that's my opinion on Tesla. I'm bearish on Tesla based on Wickoff and the fact that Kathy Woods sold a lot of her shares and took a lot of profit, okay? If you follow Wickoff, he'll tell you that around this level, the whales will start selling to the retail traders and letting us buy, hold the shares for a high level price, a high price, while they try to wait for a better opportunity. Okay, so in my opinion, look for shorting opportunities or selling opportunities at resistant levels, okay? We have resistance here at 758, okay? And I give it a range up to 766. Why? Because area of liquidity, all right? They may look to try to fake us out, try to draw in the breakout traders only to fake them out. You guys understand what I'm saying? All right? Because if it breaks above this bull flag, that's a breakout. A lot of breakout traders going to come in, flocking in, looking to buy, catching FOMO. And market makers could fake them out and push it down again for a false breakout. If we get that false breakout, that's a big, big sign. That's a big bearish sign that there's going to be more downside. Okay? All right, so that's how I feel. That's my bottom line on Tesla, bearish. Moving on to Bitcoin. Now, unlike Tesla, I am not bearish on Bitcoin. I'm very bullish on Bitcoin, okay? So we had this line, this white line right here. That was a previous high. 42.5K was a critical support level. We tested there. Next day we broke it down right there. And then the next day after that, it came right back up, giving us a false breakout. This was the false breakout. Today confirmed it. Okay? Look where Bitcoin is at currently. It's above the 5-day moving average. Okay, let me move this. We had an area of imbalance here, as you can see, but Bitcoin is starting to fill it, so I'm gonna take it out. So we're above the 5-day moving average, and our next level, our next resistance level is here at 45.7K, which is where the 200-day and the 13-day moving average is currently. All right. So I think we're gonna test that. I feel like we're gonna break that because I don't think market makers will go through all this trouble to fake us out like this, okay, for no reason. All right, I think they do it for a reason, and I think it's to get us bearish again so that they can, buy into the fear, get in the good price, and then push it up how they would love to do. Okay, so I'm bullish on it. Next resistance is 45.7K, and then the next one above that is 46.8K. If Bitcoin get above that as very bullish, that's back above all the moving averages, and we could test this resistance level here at 51K. That's my price target for Bitcoin. That's my bottom line for Bitcoin. I'm bullish, and that's what I have today for technical analysis. I hope this is able to help you guys stay calm in this crazy market, and I'll see you soon.